Today I'm going to show you how I made plywood end grain cutting boards. I started by cutting lots of 4 cm wide strips of the plywood sheet. Then I glued them together and clamped them in place. Make sure to use plenty of clamps and waterproof glue instead of water resistant glue. I used Type 13. Once it was dry, I measured what I wanted to keep and what I wanted to throw away. Then I cut them on the miter saw. Once that's done, I ran them through my planer thicknesser. If you don't know what that is, I'll make a future video on that. First I ran the board through the planer to get one face flat. That took me around 30 minutes. Then I put them through the thicknesser to get the other face flat, parallel and clean. Once that's done, I cut one of the edges clean, as there was an ugly plywood layer. I used a track saw as that's what I have, and that was more convenient. You can also use a circular saw for this. Then I cut them to length and I could get 3 out of the whole board. Then I sanded them smooth, changing between grits. Then I filled in the gaps, as this was cheap recycled plywood. I used a mixture of glue and sawdust combined with my fingers. After that, I marked where the handles go using a combination square. I used what's called a cove bit on my router to make the actual handles. I then change bits and use what's called a roundover bit to smooth over the sharp edges. And then all there's left to do is some more sanding and putting a few coats of food safe oil. I used mineral oil as that's what I had laying around. Once you've done all of that, you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. All that's left for you to do is click that thumbs up button and please subscribe.